affected obviously, but this pink fiber usually is going to the upper part, so upper part also should be affected, but it won't be affected. Why? क्योंकि अगर ये एक pink line तो गया, right, but for compensating it there is another pink line over here, so that line will compensate this line. So as a result, upper part is not affected. Okay, the same thing goes with the other side also. Even on the other side also, if there is a lesion, then the contralateral side will be affected. Okay, so I hope you understood. Okay, so this is all I want you to understand. So here if you see in the textbook directly it is given, I am reading it, muscles of the lower part of the face on the opposite side are paralyzed. ठीक है, ये देखो अगर यहाँ पे इंजरी हुआ, then muscles of the lower part of the face on the opposite side, injury is on the right but effect is on the left, that also the lower part is affected. You're getting it? So this is what you need to know. But what about the upper part? No, upper part nothing is going to happen, क्योंकि upper part में ना there are two nerves, one is gone but one is there, right? So this is what you need to know regarding the lesion. ओके अभी ये वाला जो पिक्चर यहाँ पे मैंने जो लगाया था बेल्स पैल्सी, दिस इज नॉट रिलेटेड विद दिस, दैट इज रिलेटेड विद द इंफ्रान्यूक्लियर लीजन हियर. ओके, सो लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट द इंफ्रान्यूक्लियर लीजन एज वेल. राइट, सो जस्ट लुक एट दिस पार्ट ओवर हियर. Infranuclear lesion, very important guys. I'll make it very easy for you to understand, just to concentrate on this. Follow the lines which I'm drawing here. Okay, follow the lines. So first let us look at this. ये देखो, just follow the line. What is happening first? Look at this red color line. ठीक है, ये देखो एक horizontal line है यहाँ पे. Let me change the color. Right, see there is a horizontal line. ठीक है, it is taking a turn and going back, coming down, ठीक है, coming down and again it is taking a U-turn. Just look here, horizontal line taking a back turn, coming down and taking a U-turn. ठीक है, same picture I will draw and then I will explain the things. What did I tell you? ये देखो एक horizontal line taking a turn back, coming down all the way and then taking a U-turn. ठीक है, what is this nerve? This nerve is your motor nerve, you know it. ठीक है, ये motor nerve का branches क्या है बताओ? What are the branches of motor nerve? Let us go back to the picture again. Okay, ये देखो. Right, let us look at this picture. Now we are back to this picture. Let us look at this picture over here. Now here, this is your greater petrosal nerve. Okay, this is your motor nerve, right? This motor nerve is taking a turn like this, but remember one thing, along with this motor nerve you even have this pink color nerve. What is this pink color nerve which I discussed already? This pink color nerve over here is a fiber that is coming from superior salivatory nucleus. You remember that, right? So we discussed superior salivatory nucleus over here in the previous class, right? So this is a fiber that is coming from superior salivatory nucleus. Now this superior salivatory nucleus fiber is giving off one branch like this. What was this? This was your greater petrosal nerve. Okay, so it means just look at this particular picture. So यहाँ पे there is a branch that is given off like this. What was this branch? This is your greater petrosal nerve. Okay, after greater petrosal nerve, what is the next important thing? ये देखो, it is taking a turn and then it is giving another branch. What is this? This is your nerve to your stapedius muscle. Okay, so let us go back again. So here it is giving another branch like this. What is this branch? This is your stapedius branch. Okay, nerve to stapedius. After giving nerve to stapedius, where is it going? Just see, after giving nerve to stapedius, it is entering into your stylomastoid foramen. After coming out of stylomastoid foramen, it is giving paps. I already told you paps. And it is giving branches to the muscles of facial expression, right? So let us go back again, right? Let us go back here. After that, it is entering into an opening here. This is called as your stylomastoid foramen. After that, it is giving branches. What are the three branches which it has given? PAPS, PAPS,